Sometimes self-care is not getting your nails done or having a bubble bath. I feel like I've just been giving so much to other people, and like I haven't had time to like fill my own cup. And that's, oh my gosh, it's so dark in here. Maybe I'll go grab lights. I think I will. Perfect. The funny thing is, before I started this video, something was like, go grab your lights, you're gonna need it. Didn't listen to my intuition. But hi guys, and welcome to today's video. If it's your first time stopping, be sure to hit that subscribe button, join the fam, join the squad, join the community. Today's video is going to be, I don't know, I guess it's gonna be a little bit of like a wellness vlog, I think, you know, because I just want to keep it as real as possible as I can. Like, obviously I'm not gonna come on here and share it whenever I'm having like a shitty day, but just to like show you guys other aspects of life that does exist, or in my life that does exist. I'm not always happy. I've already kind of gotten ready for the day. I don't have any makeup on. I just can't be bothered. I really just can't be bothered. Maybe later on I'll do my eyebrows or something, but that's it. I just want to put lip gloss on, have my eyebrows done, and that's it. Not even lashes, just keep it pushing, that's it. Ignore this. So my closet, this is bugging me too. So my closet, it's like broken and it won't shut all the way. I already told my landlord they're coming to fix it, but in the meantime I gotta deal with this. Anywho, just lately I've just been feeling so overwhelmed, and like I haven't had time for myself, and I've kind of just been like behind on a lot of things that I want to do, like things on my to-do list that I wanted to do. Today is just gonna be, I guess, kind of like a self-care day slash getting my shit together day slash giving you tips and tools to help you as well. When I woke up, I went back to bed again because hashtag I felt like it. So like I tidied up my room, I tidied up my living room, my kitchen as well, because it was just a mess, and I've just kind of been so tired to like deal with things afterwards that I just leave it. So I've kind of done that. I have my diffusers going, which is like really nice. So right now I'm having coffee. I think it's like 11 something, not, whoa, I wish it was 11. It's like 12 something right now. I kind of have a little bit of things to do today because I'm going on like a mini trip tomorrow, which I'll vlog. Like that will be a whole nother vlog that I'll start later today. I'm kind of excited to just get away, but in the meantime there's other things I need to do before I think about that. I haven't had breakfast yet, so I'm gonna actually start off. What I'm actually gonna do is start off by making a list of things I want to do today, things that are just like in the back of my mind that I know like I have to do, but like I haven't gotten to doing it, and kind of like put pen to paper on when I would like to get it done. Some things might have to wait till when I come back from my trip. Start off by getting ready, you know. If you don't want to do makeup, that's okay, that's cool. Tidy up your space. I find that's helped. I feel so bad, like so much better. I'm like, okay, my space is clean. Like I feel like a responsible human being. But yeah, I feel like a responsible I'm a grown-ass adult saying I feel like a responsible human being because I clean, but that's something I should have been doing. But anywho, we're not here to judge. We're not here to judge. So I made myself coffee after I was done cleaning and things like that, because I felt really good and proud of myself. Make yourself a list of the things that you have to do, the things that are making you feel overwhelmed or scattered. Oh, also earlier this morning I journaled. Just journal how you're feeling, or kind of like what's in the back of your mind that's just like lingering. Journaling is also another great tip. Another tip that I have, maybe later today I'll have some, is just taking, actually I'm just gonna take it right now. I'm going to, why not? CBD oil. I love CBD oil. I feel like it makes me just so relaxed. So, whoa, I feel like I'm close up. Yeah, I feel like it helps relaxes me. So I'm just gonna put like, I'm gonna do like a couple drops, a little bit of a drop, do like 3 drops in my coffee. Let's go make that list. Let's go make that list that I've been talking about, because this video is about to get super freaking long. We'll make the list. I'll go over the list with you guys. I got some lo-fi beats on. For some things that I have to do today, I have to pack for the trip that I'm going on. I had a grocery list because we're gonna be making our own meals when we're there and things like that. So Gotta write a list for that, so when we go to the grocery store we know what to pick up. Workout today, going to the gym at some point today. I'm laughing because it's about to be a busy day, but it's not going to be that bad. Have breakfast because I haven't had breakfast yet, and it is 11:47. Good job, Tolu. Plan my week in my journal, or not journal, like weekly planner, and then start a second vlog, which I'm filming today. That way I have content, so if I'm away I can like edit content and have content go up consistently. So there's a lot of things that are on these lists. Is it doable? For sure. Just write down everything it is that you have to do. That way you can see like, okay, what can I do? What do I have to do right now? What's a priority today? And then what are the other things that can be done later, kind of thing. It's always like my number one tip. And then that way you kind of feel, it gives me a sense of like control of like, okay, it isn't so bad. I know what it is I'm currently supposed to be working on. So that feels really good. And this is also part of self-care, honestly. Like when you are starting to feel overwhelmed or like hitting like higher stress, I feel like your body's trying to tell you like you haven't had time for yourself yet. And I've been feeling that way. I feel like I've just been giving so much to other people, and like I haven't had time to like fill my own cup, and that's my own doing. I'm taking full responsibility for it, but it's just me. Like I'm glad I feel overwhelmed because it's my body being like, okay, you need to like reprioritize things to show me what's more important and kind of like get me back on track. So I'm very glad. I'm thankful for that, but I'm also working through the feelings of being overwhelmed. So yeah, I'm gonna go make myself a sandwich that I've been making lately. I've just been loving it. It's just like an egg, avocado, and bacon sandwich. So I'm gonna go feed myself the first meal of the day. Let me know also, like, let me know down below, how do you guys deal with when you're feeling overwhelmed or like you have a lot of things to do? Can you please drop some tips down below? Because I know I don't know everything, right? And I feel like you guys would have some wonderful tips for how you deal with overwhelmed. And sometimes it's also just nice to get a second perspective or a different way of doing things because you don't have all the answers. Comment down below, what are some things you do to help you when you start to feel overwhelmed, or like I've been pouring into other people's cups and not my own. All right, let's go make breakfast. Enough of me chit-chatting. My camera's overheating. Had breakfast, and I also just did a meditation, which really helped. And now I feel like journaling again, so I'm gonna listen and journal really quickly before I work through the rest of my list that I have written down for myself today. And it's something that I recommend, like just listening to yourself intuitively and what you need, because I feel like you are your own healer. You know what you need best. Nobody else can tell you that. And sometimes just listen, go with the flow, and it's important. It's very important for your mental health, for self-care. I just finished journaling right now. What I'm going to do is start packing as I leave tomorrow, and I can't leave it till last minute because stressing some more ain't cute. You know, work smarter, not harder. I've kind of been working through my list of things I have to do. I just finished packing my clothes and stuff like that for the trip. I've done my grocery list. I've had breakfast. I've meditated. I've journaled. I'm going to work out, as I'm not going to get a chance to work out this week as I'm going away. So I'm just going to go get a workout in and then come back home and just finish going through the list of things that I'm doing for my self-care day. Sometimes self-care is not getting your nails done or having a bubble bath. Like self-care is you pretty much filling your own cup back up, doing things so that way later on in the future you don't experience stress and things like that down the road, or catching up on things that you've kind of been behind on. I feel like sometimes when we hear the buzzword, like it's used so commonly that we think it's just like doing nothing or getting your nails done or taking a bubble bath, and that's all a part of self-care, but it's so much more than just that. Even you just simply like doing one little good thing for yourself is self-care, and you practice self-care every day whether you know it or not. So that's something that I wanted to remind you guys of. I'm going to work out. I don't know if I'm like, should I include a workout? Yeah, I think I'll include like snippets of my workout to this self-care overwhelmed day with you guys. So yeah, and also like if you don't feel like working out or you're too tired to, don't feel like you have to, you do not at all. I'm just doing what's gonna make me feel good. So yeah. Just had my workout. I'm feeling really good. I'm feeling strong. That's how I'm feeling. Like I squatted heavier than I normally would, so that was a massive win. Feeling really good. About to head back home right now and finish packing up some more. I'm back at home now from the gym. I've changed my clothes and things like that because I didn't have time for a shower, but that's okay. Yeah, I'm feeling really good. I'm so glad I went to the gym. I feel so much better. I feel like, all right, like things are being done. Let me look at my list that I wrote for myself today of things I had to do. So I've worked out. I wanted to record my workout, so I did that. I packed for my upcoming trip. I had breakfast, I meditated, I started a second vlog. So now I just have like, how many more things left? Like 2 things left. So the only 2 things I have left is to plan out my week, pick up something. I have to run to my mom's restaurant to pick up. Yeah, that's really it. Yeah, that's really it for like the things I wanted to get done. I want some wine. I want some wine. I want some red wine. Comment down below if you're a white wine drinker or a red wine drinker, but it's only about like 6:19. I haven't had supper yet. I haven't actually had lunch yet, really. So yeah, but I want some wine. So I think I might go pick up some wine later and just kind of have that while I plan out my week and chill, really. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys later on, probably when I grab the wine and things like that. So yeah, now the end of the day, about 9:58, and I had one more thing left on my list to do, which was to plan out my week, which I haven't done yet, but I pretty much got like 95% of things done that I wanted to get done, so that felt really good. Now I'm just enjoying Shiraz. I might be saying it wrong, but it's 19. Did I ask you? I'm just going to enjoy the rest of my wine here and just like plan my week, which was like the last thing on my list of things to do in my weekly planner, and head to bed. But that's been it for the day. If you hear that noise, so very weirdly we got a tornado warning, so that's what that is, and that's been fun. That's what's happening right now. But it's been a good day. It's been a really good day. I don't feel as overwhelmed or as stressed or as like chaotic as I've been feeling these past couple of days. So I'm just kind of glad, like, and this is what self-care really is all about, or what self-care looks like for me sometimes. Sometimes it's just looks like me getting things done that I wanted to do during the day, taking and just being conscious too of like what I'm doing and reminding myself like it's all gonna be okay, it's all right, everything's going to work out, one thing at a time, you know. You're only human at the end of the day, not a workhorse. So yeah, enough of me rambling. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog slash me getting my ish together. Today's just been like a good day, chill day, but I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna go sip on my wine. Bye.